How do you create an AI podcast video? Let me show you exactly how it is done. Step by step. Watch this.
I've been thinking lately, why is it that people are no longer faithful to their communities? Like, genuinely, what happened? Back then, you hear things like, that's our person, that's our home, we've got to support them. But now, everybody's looking out for just themselves. I mean, what changed? Come on, that's so true, Dami. It's almost like community support is now a luxury. I mean, not everyone has it.
All right. So you want to create your own podcast using AI, right? You want to use AI generated characters? Well, there is something important you need to know. Hi, my name is Damilare Taiwo. I share how-to videos on using tech tools, AI, and creative platforms to bring your ideas to life. So feel free to check out other tutorials on topics like how to create calendars, use Zoom effectively, and much more. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use AI tools to create podcast videos. But first, you must understand something. The problem is not really the AI tools themselves. It's usually about how we use them, right? We need to know that AI is not human. It won't read your mind. If your results aren't turning out well, it's likely because your prompt wasn't clear enough. And sometimes many people say, I followed everything you did, but it didn't work. I didn't get the same results. That's because AI responds to prompts. So if your prompting or if your prompt isn't right, your result won't be either, right? So you need to understand how to write prompts. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I build prompts from scratch, right? So what you learned today in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to create an AI podcast video step by step. You learn how to create animated characters. You make them speak and listen in sync and get them to respond with gestures. So it's okay if it doesn't work on your first trial. Just reprompt and try again until you get it right.
Now, let's start with ChatGPT. The first one I will show is how to create an image using ChatGPT. I will also show you how to create the same image using another mobile app. So now this is our prompt. I'm going to read from here, but I may not be able to read everything. A cozy modern podcast studio rendered in three in vibrant 3D realistic style. Two fair-skinned, beautiful female character, 3D realistic. So sitting face to face at a podcast desk. I am currently proofreading to be sure that everything is aligned with what I envisage. I'm just going to edit in case another idea comes to mind. Maybe a color of the two ladies' outfits. I'm editing the outfits. So most people focus only on ChatGPT, but the truth is that there are also other tools which I'm going to be showing you in this video that can also do the same thing. Everything is perfect. I'm going to click on generate. The image is currently generating. Make sure your prompt is clear and specific, especially the image format. Like I wanted mine to be in 16:9, so I added it in my prompt 16:9, landscape 16:9. So don't worry yourself if you're not able to grab this. I will share the prompt in the description box, or you can just pause the video and type directly from the screen. So this is the image that I was able to generate. I'm going to download it. So I downloaded it and went back to my prompt because I also want the image to be of a dark skin tone. So I'm just going to edit it. So initially the video was create AI podcast video free. So I'm now going to add my name, Dami. I'm also going to edit the two fair skin to caramel. Still the same prompt, but different skin tone. So it's currently generating. It takes a little while to generate images, so be patient. Always remember that prompting is everything. You can't just know AI and ignore prompting. Without the right input, you won't get the right output. So let's see. I love these images. So once the image is ready, I download it and move to the next tool. This tool is called Leonardo AI. It has a mobile version, but I'm using the web version of it. So register on Leonardo AI. So if you're doing this from a mobile version, click on the plus sign to generate an image. So but here I'm just going to type in my prompt. So this is the same prompt that I used in ChatGPT. Go to settings to adjust the image dimension. I selected 16:9. You have access to pick the number of images you want, maybe 1, 2, 3 or 4. So I picked 4 and then I clicked on generate. So like I always say, prompting is everything. If there is an error, the error will continue. You can see the 4 beautiful images that the AI generated for us. I love them actually, but they may not be as perfect as ChatGPT, right? Even if the Leonardo AI image isn't as perfect, it's a good backup when you're on short time. Another beautiful thing about Leonardo AI is that you can even upscale your images from here instead of taking them to CapCut to upscale. So our images are ready. We're going to download the one. It's just one I need, so I'm just going to download one. Now we're ready for the next step: animating your character in a video. This is the most interesting part for me. This tool is called Hedra AI. Here's what the interface looks like. Sign up, After signing up, it brings you here. Click on Start Here to upload your image from your photo library. Once your podcast photo is uploaded, you can see it on the screen. You will need to add your script. I already have mine recorded somewhere. You can upload a pre-recorded voice or record one directly. You can see. So I'm going to upload one from my music library. After uploading, make sure the script sounds good. I always recommend listening to your audio first. If it sounds right, go ahead and add it to your video. So there's an instruction. The reason why my audio is on red, you can see, is when I drag it to change to this. The reason why my audio was showing red because there's an instruction that says audio is longer than 20 seconds and it cannot be processed because I'm running on a free account. So what I'm going to do is drag it forward to fit 20 seconds. Yes, this is awesome. It's perfect.
I've been thinking lately, why is it that people are no longer faithful to their communities?
I may not have much time to play it here, so we're just going to do that later. Now, here is where people often get stuck, syncing your character with your video. You must give a clear prompting about who should speak and when. So my prompt is make the character in the pink outfit lip sync the audio. The character in the pink outfit is the one sitting at the right side of the table. Left or right? Yeah, it's right. Yeah, it's correct. Check your spellings then. So at first, I didn't add any gestures. So I'm going to edit it and say make the character in the pink outfit lip sync the audio and make some hand gestures. So because there was no gesture there, then I just don't want it to be static. You must understand that AI is not perfect. When you do the right thing, you get the right result. For the next character, I'm going to say, while the character sitting at the left side of the table laughs and make some hand gestures, looking at the other character. Now that everything is set, correct dimension 16:9, videos quality 720p, go ahead and click generate. It might take a little while, but be patient. You may have to generate it once or twice to get the right result. Training AI takes patience. Even professionals reprompt multiple times to get it right. So if the result isn't what you expected, tweak your prompt and try again. Now the video is done. Let's take a look.
Lately, why is it that people are no longer
The lip syncing is great. If you want the image to smile or laugh, probably it's not giving the effect you want, just go back and edit the prompt. The last one that we did just now.
Themselves. What changed? Come on, that's so true, Dami. It's almost like community support is now a luxury. Not everyone has it.
You could say have the character in pink smile at the other lady. You could, just be specific.
It's like people are scared of being too supportive. They don't want to be seen as too available or too loud for someone else's success. But when we don't uplift our own, who will? For me, I think social media even made it worse, right? Because now it's like if you're not in a click, then I hope.
So if you watch this video to this point, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the prompts I used in the description box below. If you have any question or you want to join my AI school to learn more about creating AI videos, drop a comment and I will get back to you. Bye.